Creating a new invoice template. To create a new invoice template, navigate to Administration, then Settings, then Account Settings, and then Invoice and Statement Setup. And finally, click on Add Invoicement Statement Template. The following window will open. Next, enter a name for the new invoice template. Keep in mind that this name will be displayed in the previous screen under Settings section. Now you will select the type of template. First, a blank template is for creating a template using no pre-populated fields. A standard template is for creating a template using the most common pre-populated fields. And the Create Template Using Setting Forms option is for creating a template based on another template in the drop-down list. Choose Standard Template and then click the Add Invoice Template button. The Invoice and Statement Template Setup section will now contain the newly created template. Click on the newly created invoice to set up a basic invoice template and remain on the Layout tab. The top two sections are pre-populated with the most common settings. The company information, such as logos, contact information, slogans, etc., may be inserted into the header and/or footer sections. Common editing options are available to edit fonts and the display. The Ship To tab. This section contains the Ship To address information displayed on the invoice. The most common fields are pre-populated. To add another field, click Add Field. Click drop-down menu arrow on the description field to display a list of all available fields for this section. Once you have selected the proper description, click Add Field. To delete any field, click the vertical ellipses, then click Delete. Order Info tab. This section contains the basic order information, such as order number, customer name, and contact information. The most common fields are once again pre-populated. To add another field, click Add Field. Use the drop-down list to choose available fields. Once selected, click Add Field. The Payment Info tab. This section contains the order payment information. Click Add Field. Use the drop-down list to choose available fields. Once selected, click Add Field. The Order Items tab. This section contains the product detail from the order. The most common fields are pre-populated. To add another field, click Add Field. Once you have selected the correct description from the drop-down, click Add Field. Order Totals tab. This section contains information about the totals, taxes, and shipping for the order. The most common fields are pre-populated. To add another field, click Add Field. Use the drop-down list to choose available fields. Once selected, click Add Field. Warehouse Setup tab. From the list, choose the warehouse or multiple warehouses to which this template will be made available. A template can only be used at a specific warehouse if that warehouse is selected here. Once you are finished, click Save Changes. For a more in-depth overview on this subject, check out the corresponding training document in the details section below.